it's time to bleed the brakes. Luckily I haven't thrown away leftover brake fluid reservoir cap from the leftover from my conversion, T3 TDI conversion. $15, $13. I don't like that edge, so I'm going to try and cut it. It's preventing the ventile rubber to sit properly on the cap. I will remove the ventile itself so I can release the pressure after everything is done. I don't know about this edge. I'm going to leave it like that. I think it's going to leak air, but I will try. I have filled the reservoir with brake fluid. It's tight. Yesterday I have removed the gearbox and changed the clutch and cleaned the engine bay underneath. It looks quite clean. It looks good now. The draining plug is visible through here. I have placed the oil catcher so it's not going to drip on the ground. Undo the bolt. I'm applying not too much pressure. So far I can't see. One more time. Do not know if it's visible, but it's now it's clear. I still have some fluid here. I'm gonna tighten the release valve and check the clutch. Still some fluid inside. Gonna top it up. Let's check the pedal. Yes, the clutch is here. It's working fine. Probably this is the easiest clutch flush I have ever done. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.